Hey everyone, my name is Robert and I want to share with you all my experience with Trident Smiles Dental. For me, going to the dentist always felt like a boring chore at best. Okay, like it was necessary, but definitely never fun. So recently I was looking for a new dentistry to get some Invisalign aligners. That's when I came across Trident Smiles Dental. First thing I noticed is that they had a spa-like vibe on their website and their social media. Second thing I learned is that they're a diamond certified dentistry by Invisalign, which really just showed me that they're legit and I could trust them. That was enough for me to give it a shot and come in for a free consultation. As soon as I got there, first thing I noticed is that they have massage chairs. That's right, massage chairs for every patient in the waiting room. The next thing I noticed is the ambiance in there was very exotic. Like even all their rooms have like beach themes, which I just thought was very cool, very different, but just awesome. And then the staff were super friendly, super helpful. They'll stream Netflix for you while you're undergoing a teeth whitening procedure, which I had never seen ever at any other dentistry. Invisalign specialist was Dr. Tang, who was amazing. Okay, he just helped me like understand the whole process, walked me through everything, helped me feel really comfortable, and was super detail oriented and super nice, super friendly, answered all my questions and concerns, really made me feel like I was in good hands. It's been 6 months since I've been doing the Invisalign treatment at Trident Smiles Dental, and I mean, look at the results, you know? The results speak for themselves. I haven't smiled this much in my whole life. So if you're looking for a dentistry for Invisalign treatment in Silicon Valley, just please go to Trident. They're amazing, and I can't thank them enough. Thank you, Trident Smiles Dental. I owe my smile to you.